Number 6 Ways to train your brain to learn faster and remember more. You go to the gym to train your muscles. You run outside or go for hikes to train your endurance. Or, maybe you do neither of those, but still wish you exercised more. Well, here is how to train one of the most important parts of your body, your brain. When you train your brain, you will avoid embarrassing situations. You remember his face, but what was his name? Be a faster learner in all sorts of different skills. No problem for you to pick up a new language or new management skill. Avoid diseases that hit as you get older. Alzheimer's will not be affecting you. So how to train your brain and improve your cognitive skills. Number 1. Work your memory. Twyla Tharp, a NYC-based renowned choreographer, has come up with the following memory workout. When she watches one of her performances, she tries to remember the first 12 to 14 corrections she wants to discuss with her cast without writing them down. If you think this is anything less than a feat, then think again. In her book The Creative Habit, she says that most people cannot remember more than 3. The practice of both remembering events or things and then discussing them with others has actually been supported by brain fitness studies. Memory activities that engage all levels of brain operation, receiving, remembering and thinking, help to improve the function of the brain. Now, you may not have answers to correct, but you may be required to give feedback on a presentation, or your friends may ask you what interesting things you saw at the museum. These are great opportunities to practically train your brain by flexing your memory muscles. Number 2. Do something different repeatedly. By actually doing something new over and over again, your brain wires new pathways that help you do this new thing better and faster. Think back to when you were 3 years old. You surely were strong enough to hold a knife and a fork just fine. Yet, when you were eating all by yourself, you were creating a mess. It was not a matter of strength, you see. It was a matter of cultivating more and better neural pathways that would help you eat by yourself just like an adult does. And guess what? With enough repetition, you made that happen. But how does this apply to your life right now? Say you are a procrastinator. The more you don't procrastinate, the more you teach your brain not to wait for the last minute to make things happen. Now, you might be thinking, duh, if only not procrastinating could be that easy. Well, it can be. By doing something really small, that you wouldn't normally do, but is in the direction of getting that task done, you will start creating those new precious neural pathways. So if you have been postponing organizing your desk, just take one paper and put in its right place. Or, you can go even smaller. Look at one piece of paper and decide where to put it: trash? Right cabinet? Another room? Give it to someone? You don't actually need to clean up that paper, you only need to decide what you need to do with it. That's how small you can start. And yet, those neural pathways are still being built. Gradually, you will transform yourself from a procrastinator to an in-the-moment action taker. Number 3. Learn something new. It might sound obvious, but the more you use your brain, the better it's going to perform for you. For example, learning a new instrument improves your skill of translating something you see, sheet music, to something you actually do, playing the instrument. Learning a new language exposes your brain to a different way of thinking, a different way of expressing yourself. You can even literally take it a step further, and learn how to dance. Studies indicate that learning to dance helps seniors avoid Alzheimer's. Not bad, huh? Number 4. Follow a brain training program. The internet world can help you improve your brain function while lazily sitting on your couch. A clinically proven program like BrainHQ can help you improve your memory, or think faster, by just following their brain training exercises. Number 5. Work your body. You knew this one was coming, didn't you? Yes indeed, exercise does not just work your body, it also improves the fitness of your brain. Even briefly exercising for 20 minutes facilitates information processing and memory functions. But it's not just that exercise actually helps your brain create those new neural connections faster. You will learn faster, your alertness level will increase, and you get all that by moving your body. Now, if you are not already a regular exerciser, and already feel guilty that you are not helping your brain by exercising more, try a brain training exercise program like Exercise Bliss. Remember, just like we discussed in number 2, by training your brain to do something new repeatedly, you are actually changing yourself permanently. Number 6. Spend time with your loved ones. If you want optimal cognitive abilities, then you've got to have meaningful relationships in your life. Talking with others and engaging with your loved ones helps you think more clearly, and it can also lift your mood. If you are an extrovert, this holds even more weight for you. At a class at Stanford University, I learned that extroverts actually use talking to other people as a way to understand and process their own thoughts. I remember that the teacher told us that after a personality test said she was an extrovert, she was surprised. She had always thought of herself as an introvert, but then, she realized how much talking to others helped her frame her own thoughts. So she accepted her newfound status as an extrovert. If you want to learn more, click the description below the video.